Welcome to Module 2, Lesson 1 of the Computer Science 20S course. We're going to be revisiting algorithms once again. We'll not be on the computers for this particular lesson. As I said, we're going to be looking at algorithms. They are very important to computer science, to computer programming, because the algorithm is basically the program and it tells the computer exactly what to do. And just a little sort of a note here. Module 1, you learned about algorithms. Algorithms are sets of instructions that solve a problem. We also learned that humans can interpret instructions in a different way to computers. Computers work by following lists of instructions, and they do exactly what the instructions say, even if they are incorrect or nonsensical. And here's an example. If you tell a robot that's being controlled by a computer to go through the door, please, and the door is open, no problem. But if the door is closed, well, then the computer, the robot, has some trouble and it either breaks through the door or it's stuck. Whereas a human would use its common sense and knows that when you say go through the door, what you really mean is open the door and walk through it. So just a little example there of how computers do exactly what they're told. Okay, so for the next little exercise here, you need to go find another human, another person. Could be someone in the class if that's where you are right now. It could be a little brother if you happen to be at home. Anyone really will do here. They're just going to draw a picture. What you're going to do is you're going to give them a set of instructions. So go find someone. They need to get a sheet of paper and a pencil or a pen, and do not let them look forward in the video. So put the video on pause while you go find someone. And now that you're back, remember to not show them the screen because I'm going to show you a picture right away. So have them look away from the screen. And now that you've got your partner and a sheet of paper and a pencil, I would like you to give your partner the directions to draw this picture right here, okay? Don't show them this picture, and you're not allowed to use the words lights, post, or base. Those are the three words that you're not allowed to use. Okay, so go ahead and give your partner the directions to draw this picture. Put the video on pause now and I'll wait for you. And once you're done, of course, you should compare your pictures and see how well you did. If you choose, depending on the person that you're working with, if you want to switch positions so that the other person gives the directions and you draw the picture, that's fine. Don't forward the video. I'm going to go forward. I'm going to show you the next picture right away. So pause if you need to. Okay, here's the next picture. These are the words that you may not say, and these are the words that you may use. Okay, so go ahead and try to draw that picture given the set of instructions that the other person is giving. Put the video on pause and then compare answers. All right, I've got one more for you. This time, anyone can do it. I'm going to give you the instructions in text-based format, and then you're going to try and draw the picture. So if you need another sheet of paper, go ahead and get one. This is also in the booklet. Here are the instructions that I want you to follow. I want you to draw a rectangle. From the center of the rectangle's uppermost longer side, draw a straight line upwards perpendicular to the rectangle. The straight line should be the same length as the longer side of the rectangle. Draw a right angle triangle on the right-hand side of the perpendicular line. Draw another triangle on the left-hand side of the perpendicular line. This triangle should be the mirror image of the triangle drawn in step number 3. And on the top of the page, draw 3 stars. So go ahead and try that. See what your picture looks like, and I'm going to show you the answer right away. Pause if you need to. Okay, here is your answer. You can see that it's a sailboat with some 3 stars above here. Okay, so what I'd like you to do now is I'd like you to write a scratch script to make this picture, okay? Some hints. You'll have to look at the pen palette. Remember that the pen must be down to draw. If you lift the pen up to move without drawing, then you will not get a line in between the 2 different ones. Glide command will show the drawing. Start with the clear command and use the stamp or sprite for the stars. And I'm just going to give you a quick example here of how to do that. Okay, so here's Scratch. I go to my pen and I put my pen down. We're going to have to put when green flag click, put my pen down. Okay, and then if I move say 40 steps. Scratch will draw a line. You can see that it's there once I move Scratch. If I want it to be longer, then of course I have to make more steps. Let's move Scratch over here. Okay, you can see that I draw the line. You can hide the sprite if you choose, or you can leave them on there as well. It's up to you. You can clear. You probably want to have a clear command to start your program so that it clears every time. You can see that it cleared the old ones there. Okay, so go ahead and try that, and that is the end of this lesson.